The Age of Horse-Drawn Carriages.
Before engines and electricity, horse-drawn carriages shaped daily travel. Dating back to the 17th century, these vehicles revolutionized personal mobility for those who could afford them. Carriages made travel faster and more comfortable than walking, setting social trends and laying the groundwork for future innovations in transportation.
The birth of the automobile.
In the late 1800s, inventors like Carl Benz introduced practical automobiles powered by internal combustion engines. The Benz patent motor wagon, unveiled in 1886, marked a turning point. Early cars were rare and expensive, but set the stage for a transportation revolution by creating new possibilities for personal mobility.
The assembly line and mass production.
A major breakthrough arrived in 1913 when Henry Ford introduced the moving assembly line. This innovation made cars faster and more affordable to produce. The Ford Model T became accessible to millions, transforming car ownership from a luxury to a realistic goal for everyday people and reshaping cities and lifestyles.
The rise of modern highways.
With more cars on the road, the demand for better infrastructure soared. Projects like the U.S. Interstate Highway System, launched in the 1950s, enabled long-distance car travel for families and businesses alike. Improved roads expanded suburbs and changed the way people connected, both locally and across countries.
The shift to electric cars.
Environmental concerns and advances in battery technology have given rise to electric vehicles. Early electric cars existed in the late 1800s, but modern versions like the Tesla Model S have redefined expectations with longer range and innovative features. Today, electric cars are becoming an increasingly common and important option for personal transportation.
Shaping the future of travel.
From carriages to electric vehicles, each milestone reflects the ever-changing needs and ambitions of society. Innovations in personal transportation continue, with advances in automation, smart vehicles, and sustainable energy shaping what comes next. The journey of how we get from place to place is far from over.